If we then go into music, you can see at the bottom there Jaguar XF, but if you can't see it, just click on the red triangle with the 3 red circles. You've got iPhone and Jaguar XF. So if the iPhone's ticked, just click like so. Back to the music, click play. I'll turn it down, because if it plays, YouTube asks you to knock the soundtrack off or pay the people who sing this money. So we'll just turn that 1 second. Onto menu, audio, video. There you go. My music, my video. It's on disc at the moment. My music, and then you bring up My Music Plus. If your music from your phone's not playing, you click the plus, and then you've got a choice of DVD. We'll just do that again, it's timed out. So if it's not playing, just wait for it to go back. Your phone isn't playing, you know it's paired, Jaguar XF there. So you go to My Music, click the plus, and then you've got a choice: DVD, iPod, stored CDs, USB, auxiliary, or your phone. Click on your phone. Did I click on the right one then? Click on your phone. There you go. And that's it, playing through the system. That's how to do it.